Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2015 MOFFETT M8 55.3. It has a 10-foot mast. Now you have yourself brick and block forks, but for no extra charge we can switch those out for pallet forks if that's what you would like. It has new tires all the way around, new seat, backrest. Now this thing, like I said, is a 10-foot mast. It's been completely repainted and refurbished. When we repaint these, we take off the roll cage, many of your covers, and then we paint the gray pieces separately, put them back on. Diamond plating is also removed, and when we repaint these, that way you get a nice finish in between. We pressure leak test your system, make sure there's no leaks, make sure that your hydraulic pump is in great condition. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this has new tires all the way around. It's going to be in condition I'm showing you here today. We'll back you up, help you get it fixed. Now, that's over. Once you get it, it's going to be in condition, I've said. But then if this engine, don't worry, it's backed up for another 30 days. So you're going to be able to buy with confidence. Now, this paint job is really good. We're proud of it. You got yourself new decals. We've replaced all your fluids, switched out your filters. Look how deep that paint job is in there. That's not some little finicky lipstick on a pig. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up, show you how it runs. We'll do a little bit of hydraulic operations, take it for a spin around the shop, and then we'll end the video. There's your Kohler coming to life. Here's your mast. It's going up and down. Tilt. Side shift, outriggers, mast going in and out. Look how nice and tight and in sync everything is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can buy with confidence. You just give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Thank you.